Good morning, boys. We have done our workbook related work of these questions. We already know that how we will multiply with tens, hundreds, thousands. Yes, we already learned in our previous lesson. If any one of you missed that one, I have already uploaded that one into the class live. Okay. So before we start, just let me know one thing. We have discussed some rules for the multiplication and for the division with hundreds, tens. Remember or not? So what were the rules? For example, if we will multiply, what will happen to the decimal? Adam, how are you? I think set a rule, raise hand, so everybody will get an equal chance to participate. Yes. So if we will multiply with the 10, with 100, with 1000, or with any number that has 1 followed by zeros, yes? So if we will multiply, what will happen to the decimal? Yes, boys, raise your hand. What will happen to the decimal? Yes, Iyad. Your name is Iyad, yes? Yes, if we will multiply with 10, 100, 1000 or numbers of the same type, what will happen to the decimal? Okay, thank you. Yes, the decimal will shift to the right side. Yes, when we will multiply, the decimal will shift to the right side, and we did lot of examples. Yes, and we will do even in today's lesson. And if we will divide, what will happen when we will divide to the decimal? What will happen? Yes, Amar. The decimal will shift to the left side. Now the question is how many digits the decimal will shift. It depends on, yes, how many digit a decimal will move to left or right. How you come to know that how many digits you have to move? Yes, depends on the number of zeros. If one zero, it will shift one digit. Yes, two zeros, two digits, three zeros, three digits, four zeros, four digits. Got it? Good. It means you already have the previous concept in your mind. Yes? Clear? Now let's begin today. On the same concept, we have to continue, and it's quite. You will answer, but every time, let me explain the rule again. What we are doing in this case, we are multiplying. Yes, we are multiplying, and in multiplication, what happens, Bandar, to the decimal? The decimal shift to the good. House. Can you repeat what was the answer of Bandar? What he told, what happens to the decimal when we multiply? Move to the right. Good. Thank you very much. Amjad, what happens to the decimal when we multiply? Like how it moves? You're not attentive. Everybody is attentive. South. So the decimal will shift to the right. So in this case, what we are doing? We are multiplying, yes? And this is the decimal is here. So it has to move to the right side. Yes? So tell me, sorry, I forget your name. Abdulaziz. Abdulaziz, how many digits it will move to the right? How many digits? Like this is the decimal and we are multiplying. When we will multiply, this decimal will move to the right from here to somewhere on that side, yes? But how many digits it will move? No, like there are two zeros, yes? Yes. Yes. Two digits it will move, yes? One is already there, like it will be like this one now, 5, 6, because the decimal has moved. Now, how I will write the second digit? I will put a 0. And at the end, the decimal will be here, yes? But at the end, we don't write the decimal. You can write 560 point, but there is no benefit. Point 0 is meaningless, yes? So no need to write. Clear? Yes. No problem. We discussed the rule that if we will multiply, the decimal will shift to the right side. How many digits? It depends on the number of zeros. Okay? And if we will divide, the decimal will move to the left side. How many digits? It depends on the number of zeros. Like in this case, we are multiplying with 100. We are multiplying with the 100. So 100 has 2 0. It means the decimal will shift 2 digits to the right side. Yes? One digit 6 was already there, but we need to shift 2 digits. So that digit we will put as 0, because you know 0 wherever will be has the value 0. Okay? So that's why we will put it. Got it? Now about the part B. Last boy, what is your name? Huh? Ziad? Ziad, how are you? What do you think? In this case, we are multiplying. So what will happen to the decimal? Just tell me what will happen to the decimal. I don't need answer. I need the method should be in your mind. Yes, Saud. Every zero when we are multiplying make the decimal move right. Thank you very much. So how many digits now? 3 digits. Yes. Okay, 2 digits are already there. 2 digits are already there. So I will say 8, 8. So for third digit, I will put the 0. And then decimal will be here. So we don't write the decimal there. Yes? Yes or not? Okay. Now, in the same way, if I ask you now, previously we did these questions in the workbook also. Now you guys have 2 minutes. Listen to me, please. You have 2 minutes. Look at your workbook. Look at your workbook. It's page number 11. Okay. Do part C, D, E, and F. You have 2 minutes to do. Silently do it. Yes. Just do it. Okay. Once you did, sit silently. Then I will come to you and will check your work. Okay. Yes. Now again, I have seen work from you guys. Let's have a look here. I will do, and you can compare your answer with that now. First of all, look, it is multiplication. Abdullah, it's a multiplication. Multiplication means you have to shift the decimal to the right side. Yes. So the decimal right now, where is the decimal right now? It's here. Yes. So how many digit it will move on the right side? How many digit? Yes, Abdullah. Only how many zero we have? 1 0. Yes. So it means you will shift it 1 digit to the right side. Okay. Got it? Like write this number 4128. But the decimal will be after 1 digit, means here. Got it? Understood? Yes. Because it was 1 0, so 1 digit. Now in this case we have division. And when we have the division, so what do we do? As there are 3 zeros, yes? So in division we have to shift it to the left side. Now how many digits? 3 digits. Yes, sir. Good. Look, 3 zeros. So you know you can't see the decimal here. You say, sir, where is the decimal? If no decimal is seen, it means consider it is at the end of the number. Yes. So it means you will shift 3 digits from here to here. So it will be here like 0.670. And before the decimal point, it is a convention to write the 0. All right. Clear, Adam? Focus on the work, please. Now next, Abdul is clear. Now, in this case again division. Yes, Ziad. Yes. Wait. There are 2 zeros here, yes, and division. So it means when you will shift, it will be 1.91. Okay. In this case now, Aus, what do you think? What will happen in this case? As we are dividing with the 10, yes, Ahmed will tell. Be loud. Rafiq, please keep quiet. Can you speak loudly? Look, we are dividing. Okay. We are dividing, so decimal will shift to the left side. Yes, Abdul Rahim. 0.63, because when I will shift it here, it will come here 0.63. And you know there is a convention to write 0 before the decimal. So 0.63. Yes, Anas? Okay. Clear? Draw a ring around the expression that is equivalent to this one. Now, which expression will be equal to this one? Have a look at this, for example. This is 4 in the ones place, yes? I told you last time a very good way of that one. Write the place's name. Just let me explain the first part, then easily you will be able to do the other parts. Write the name of the places, like it is thousands, hundreds, yes, thousands, hundreds, tens, ones, decimal point, tenths, hundreds, yes, and then more we have in this case here next place is thousands place, yes. Okay, what about 4? Yes. Which one? In D? Yes, even if you don't write the 0, no problem. Thank you. Okay, coming to this one. What about the 4? Yes, Aziz. 4 is in ones place, yes? So it means you will write it under this. Okay, what about 6? It's 0.6. The point followed by the number is in the tens place. It means it will be here. Yes, point. And this is 3. It means it should be here again. No, it should be again here. Yes or not? So you if you will add them, so it will become actually 4.9. Yes or not? So it means this is not similar to that one. So this is not possible. Okay, now talking about the next number. Check the next one. 4 is in ones place. Yes, right under ones place. 6 is in the tenth place. So 0.6. Yes. 3 is in the hundredth place. So it will be here. Yes. So 4.63, but our concern is 4.063. So no, not possible. Okay, check the next one. 4 is in ones place. Okay, 6 is in hundredth place. Mean write it under the hundredth place. 3 again is in the hundredth place. Yes. So it means in this place you will write 0, so 0.0. So add them, it will be 9. It means this is 4.09. So not possible. Yes. Because in the other example we were filling this space, and after that even if you don't write the 0, no problem. In the other example already this place was filled. That is why I did not. If this space there was no digit in this space, so I will write the 0 there. Okay, let's check the last one now. So in the last one, for example, now 4 is in ones place, 6 is in hundredth place, so write it under the hundredth place. Yes. 3 is in thousandth place, and look now tenth place there is no digits, so it means you will write 0. So 4 points. So it means this one will be your equivalent expression. Got it or not? Understood now? Look, I promise you, if you will be attentive and you will try to participate. The problem is you guys only want the teacher should explain and you should not participate. Try to participate and participate in the way I told you. Raise your hand. Participate 100 of the time, no problem. Clear, Ziad? You're looking upset. Why? You're looking upset. Bring a smile on your face. Thank you. Okay, so now next question we have here. It is Petra put some numbers into function machine, like function machine. You know how function machine acts? You put something, the rule will be there, you will follow this rule, and the number that mean the answer will be your output. For example, in this case, if the input is 1.5, you have to multiply 1.5 with 1,000. Look, 1.5 multiply with 1,000. Now it's a multiplication, so decimal will shift to the right side. How many digits? 3 digits. Yes, Amar, what it would be? 3 digits. So 5 is already, so mean 2 more digits. Yes, 1500. Already it is there. And one thing about the function machine, remember, for example, if you are going from input to output, you will follow this. But if you have to come back, so the same number you will divide. Okay? Like if you are going in one direction and you are multiplying, So if you will reverse the direction, you will divide. In the same way, if you are going in one direction, you are adding, okay, and while coming back, you will subtract the same. Got it? Now in this case, we have the output. The output is 937. The output is 937. Mean you will start from this side and now you have to take the input. Mean now you will divide it by 937 divided by 1000. Okay? So when you will divide by 1000, now again there are three zeros. So 1, 2, 3, mean it will be 0.937. So write that one here, 0.937. Okay? Yes, Amma. Let us come back then. Okay? Now this is 16.24. Abdullah, Abdullah, are you there in the class? No, you are physically here but mentally somewhere else. Yes. Look, no, 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 it's not like that. In stands for input, like what you are giving to the machine. Out mean what you are taking out of it. According to this one, here I have the rule, if you carefully see. According to this one, if you will move on this side, you have to multiply 1000 to the number, whatever number will be in the input. The output you will get by multiplying with 1000. Now, if you have output and how you will get the input? While coming back, the multiplication will change to division. For example, if here is division, let's imagine here you have division. Then if you will come back, it will change to multiplication. Okay? So that will be the rule you have to remember. So in this case, I can say here as it is 16.24. So multiply it with 1000 because here you will put the number 16.24 and you have to multiply it with 1000. Yes. So now the decimal will shift on the right side. No, Rafiq will tell me. Where are you, Rafiq? You are not attentive. Okay. Good. Mean what it will become? 1624. And then one zero is also required there because there are two digits. We need to shift three digits. So it means what it will become? 16,240. Okay. Now in this case, yes. You can write 0.0, but it's meaningless, so no need. Okay. Abdulaziz, please. Now next we have 490. Now 490 is output. Now it means while going back, you have to divide it with the 1000. Yes. So 490 divided by 1000. 30. Yes. Very good. Finally. Yes. 0.490. Whether you write or not, that doesn't matter. I'm writing here, no problem. As there are three zeros, so it will shift three digit out. Focus, please. Now, in this case, yes. Look, we are multiplying with 1000. Yes, it is 0.07 because the number is here. While going in this direction, you have to multiply. Yes. Yes, it is correct. When it is correct, so obviously it will be yes. 0.07 multiply with 1000. So what it will be? 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3. So it means it will be 70 because 3 zeros you have to shift. Got it? Yes. Clear? Yes, yes, please. You can go in your free time. Right now we are working, so wait. Okay. Excuse me. Next. Write the decimal number that represent. So this is more convenient. All the numbers are negative. Yes. So it means you will put the negative sign here. Now this is 4. It is ones place. Yes. You can say it is like this one. Right again. 1000, hundreds, tens, ones, point, tenths, hundredths, thousandths. Write the place names. Yes, you are already aware about that. Now, for example, 4 is ones, so write it under the ones place. Okay, what about this 20? It means 2 will be in Abdurrahim. Abdurrahim, I asked a question. What was that? That was not my question. Yes, Amjad. Wait. As I said that it's the 20, yes, tens place because it has a 0 after this. It means 2 will be in the tens place. So here I will write 2. Yes. Okay. 7 over 100. If over 100 mean the number is in which place? Hundredth. And where is hundred? Here. It means you will write 7 here. Yes. Okay. 6 over 1000. If it is over 1000, yad. If it is over 1000, in which place the number will be? Divided by 1000 mean, yes, Adam, thousandth place. And thousandth place is this. It means 6 will be in the thousandth place. Yes. 9 over 10. If it is over 10, it means in which place it is? Abdullah will tell me now. The other Abdullah is not attentive. One Abdullah, two Abdullah I have in the class. Yes, Abdullah. If we divide by 10, what does it mean? In which place the number is? The digit is? Tenth, not tenth, tenth. Mean the decimal part. And where is it mean it will be here? Yes. So it means this number is negative 24 point. Huh? Sorry, 9. Okay, it's a 6. Oh, I'm sorry, I will rewrite. It's a negative 24.976. Okay.